So I'm quite disappointed, like even a number one company, I am facing issues and I am visiting service center, but no service support is happening. There is no support from the service center. So I thought of saving some monies from my stipend, because at that time it's coming from a stipend, we don't have any other sources. So that pocket money whatever I am getting, I have taken it from there, and I bought a phone on 2016. First problem was it's totally freezing. I am not able to access the phone, and it's totally freezing. We have to wait until it will be recovered in the normal condition, and after then I have to switch it off, or I have to take some actions, because it's iPhone and we can't able to switch it off. We can't take the batteries as well. What they have done, I am totally like disappointed in the sense, like it's a time they are spending, because my warranty is getting expired and they want the warranty to get expired. After then they will not give any support. Later I come to know, like it's not exactly the issue, it's a manufacturing defect which every iPhone 6 is happening. It's totally a mental, I am totally, it's something looking like they are harassing me. It's a mental torture they are doing, because no support is there. International teams or online teams are telling software issue. When I am going in, they are telling it's a hardware issue. So it's not clear. So what I want to communicate, like in consumer code, there is no more certain things like you have to make a document in a proper format. There are some things that you have to make it on, but it should be like a normal application also you can give. Like if you are not a professional, then you can easily file a case. It's not a big task. So they have given me a money, like they have refunded me the money of iPhone. Apart from that, they have given me some compensation. So this is what they have just offered me. Yeah, I was scared initially, but I thought like after going through the consumer laws, I have found it out like it's fine. There is no issue, there is no harm, like it's our right. Now my friend bought Apple for me from France. He recently came. So now I am using Apple. I now with a trust like it will not happen again. I am again using Apple. So